This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, October 29th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we still have a trough digging in across the Intermountain West and the Desert South and West. That'll be ejecting into the plains later today and into the next several days. Otherwise zonal from here eastward. You can see the moisture beginning to come in. It'll be coming in, if not by the morning hours, by at least midday through the state. Some light showers, some drizzle, some mist, highs in the 40s north, 50s south. It'll become a little bit heavier here Wednesday. It could also bring a few embedded thunderstorms. Severe weather is likely going to be to our south, but we can't really rule anything out, at least close to the Iowa-Missouri border. That begins to move away here on Thursday. This run is a skosh slower, so it could rain as late as midday Thursday. We still think trick-or-treating time on Halloween evening looks to be dry, but getting cooler. And then it gets much cooler here on Friday as the cold air starts to sweep in, highs likely in the 40s to maybe near 50, but you can see some moisture coming down through the Dakotas and Minnesota. That'll be coming through late Friday night into early on Saturday, and that could spark a few flurries or snow showers. Saturday looks to be quite cool, highs in the 40s, maybe not even getting out of the upper 30s in the northeastern counties with a few clouds and maybe a flurry in Wisconsin, but that don't last long. High pressure quickly moves away, high pressure moves away, the winds turn southerly, and temperatures bump up into the 50s to low 60s, be quite breezy in the western counties on Sunday. Monday still looks somewhat breezy. Clouds will be on the increase as moisture begins to come up from Texas, along a possible subtropical type pattern coming out of the eastern Pacific. You can see two low pressure centers, one in the Oklahoma-Texas Panhandle. That'll be coming in our direction as the trough axis next Tuesday will be moving into the area. 588 ridge off the southeast coast. But this system will really start to get the moisture going at this point. The 540 line is also going to be coming down at us, so some of the rain late Tuesday night into Wednesday of next week could end as snow or a wintry mix. We'll have to see about that. Going into the extended period on November the 9th, we have pretty much a zonal flow, a little bit of a trough out over western and central California near San Francisco. Otherwise around here it looks somewhat warm with high pressure over Philadelphia, southwesterly winds, temperatures likely bumping back into the 50s to near 60 again, any precipitation well to our north and well off to our west. And then as we head to the end of the forecast on November the 13th, we have a 588 ridge over Florida and the southeast, bit of a slightly west-southwesterly flow, another storm near San Francisco or some energy there. And we have one storm moving out of the Great Lakes with a little bit of rain around here, snow across the Dakotas, Minnesota, and a little bit of rain and snow over California, and some cold air well to our northwest. Looking at the satellite image from last evening, you can see the storm system beginning to gather strength over the plains and out into the Intermountain West with some rain, mountain snow, a little bit of thunderstorm activity over Kansas and Oklahoma, and elsewhere east of the Mississippi was quiet. You can see that by the watch warning map, some fog advisories in Kentucky, Tennessee, some freeze warnings in New York, some wintry weather over the Dakotas, Wyoming, Montana, and the Intermountain West. Elsewhere, it was fairly quiet. Looking at the QPF chart, it doesn't look very quiet. This is rainfall for the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing any rainfall could be between 1 and maybe 2+ inches, heaviest to our south.